Now we are going to see the loans module. Schemes. First we see what are all the schemes available. So we will see the different schemes. So education loan, the status active. So which designation, which grade is available on this, and what is the maximum eligibility, whether the consider history need to be considered, whether interest is applicable or not. If the interest is applicable, we'll have to type what is the interest rate, what is the maximum installments. So this is the scheme master where we decide on that. Then the request is done. So when the request is done, the request is pending means it goes for an approval. So it is there for the approval. Okay. So we can see whether what is the loan details, what is the loan details. So we will know whether deferral is allowed or not, and then what is the current eligibility, the maximum amount, what is the interest rate, what is the loan amount he received, what is the EMI amount. And we will know the details here also. Maximum installment, what is the installment, this is a history if this particular employee has got any loans previously. So we will know all these details in the loan request. So the loan approval process is that once the loan is given to the employee, the HR can come or finance team can come and update how they gave the loan to that particular employee, whether through cash or a check. Okay, and then if there is a check, we will have to write the reference number and from which month this loan has to start, and then they have to do a process. So when the loan request is there, then it comes to the loan process. So the loan approval process. So once the loans are approved, it is received, the loan status is changed as received, then they can do a deferral on the loan. Suppose they cannot pay, they have some commitment and they cannot pay the loan advance, then they can go for a loan deferral. Okay, so here they can go for the loan deferral. So they can say, for this particular loan, this is my loan request, this is the due amount, I have to pay so many months. Then I'll say this particular month do not detect my installment. So I can select this month and then say save, release and save. So when I do a release and save, then the loan is gone for the next level for processing. So which means this particular month, it will know once it is processed, then this particular month's installment amount will be will not be deducted, plus 1 month is extended into the loan period once it is processed. So this is loan deferrals. On the loan pre-closures, they can pre-close the loans where they have received, so they can just pay the remaining amount and they can just close it. So once if the close is clicked, we'll have a closed type here, how they paid, and then amount and the remarks. So the balance amount and this amount should be the same, only then we can close the particular loan. Once the loan is closed, further amount will not be deducted from the salary. Till then the EMI amount will be deducted from the salary on a month-on-month basis.